discover the 20 genius new tools every pro and DIYer needs in 2026. From smart precision gadgets to game-changing hand tools, this lineup boosts speed, accuracy, and creativity on any project. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a weekend maker, these innovative tools are designed to solve real problems and upgrade your workshop instantly. Stud Finder JK Itries PSEM Marvel Corporation. The Stud Finder JKI 35M by Marvel Corporation is a simple battery-free tool designed to locate studs and metal bases in walls up to 35mm thick. It uses a 0.6mm needle probe to physically feel for studs and a strong neodymium magnet to detect nails or screws. The needle is fluorine coated for smooth insertion, and a stabilizing plate prevents bending. It also features a staircase scale and memory ring for quick thickness reference and comes with replacement needles. Little Giant MegaLite plus 18-foot reach ladder. The Little Giant MegaLite plus 18-foot reach ladder is a heavy-duty aluminum multi-position ladder designed for ultimate versatility and safety. It converts into about 20 configurations, including A-frame, extension, staircase, and 90-degree setups, plus trestle and plank scaffolding. Built-in ratchet leg levelers adjust quickly for uneven ground, while tip and glide wheels make transport effortless. Lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum construction supports up to 300 pounds, with rapid lock adjusters for fast, secure changes. OSHA and ANSI compliant. SPIT UP6 Ultra Performance Pulsa Nails. The SPIT UP6 Ultra Performance Pulsa Nails are engineered for unmatched strength and reliability when fixing into very hard concrete and steel with SPIT gas nailers. Designed for extreme conditions, C20/25 to C50/60, they feature an extended conical tip and reinforced shank for maximum bonding and pull-out resistance. Built from hardened carbon steel, greater than or equal to 56 HRC, and electro-galvanized for corrosion protection, these nails reduce misfires and rework, improving productivity and lowering fatigue. Compatible with all Pulsa 27, 40 and 65 models, they come in convenient collated strips for fast, continuous operation. Drainfast ProCut. The Drainfast ProCut is a power tool operated pipe cutting and chamfering tool designed for underground drainage work, offering fast, safe and accurate results. It combines cutting and chamfering in one quick step using a cordless drill to reduce manual effort. The prototype can cut and chamfer in under 24 seconds, with the final version expected to do it in under 15. It can be used standalone or mounted on the Drainfast SiteStack workstation for ergonomic consistent cuts that reduce waste and damage. Hetronic ME-CHL Remote System. The Hetronic MEC HL Remote System is a modular radio remote control kit designed to retrofit manual hydraulic equipment, such as cranes. It includes a Nova Series transmitter, RX14HL receiver, and MISI HLC, proportional actuators that convert manual lever movements into wireless control. The system offers precise proportional control, enhanced safety with self-monitoring e-stop and zero-contact protection, rugged IP65 durability, and easy installation with minimal maintenance. It provides a cost-effective upgrade to improve efficiency and operator safety. Aardwolf Seam Setters. Aardwolf seam setters are essential tools for stone and countertop fabrication, designed to precisely align large, non-porous slabs both horizontally and vertically for tight flush seams. Using strong suction cups and either manual ratcheting or battery-powered vacuum pumps, they hold materials securely while adjustments are made. Models range from the manual ratchet seam setter to the battery-powered Boss and electric EOSS, each offering durable construction, adjustable leveling knobs, and reliable vacuum sealing for professional installation. HMS 3-arm Tyre Ease. The HMS 3-arm Tyre Ease is an ergonomic support tool designed to reduce strain during tyre changing on large vehicles. Using an articulating arm and specialised head, it supports heavy wheel assemblies and impact tools, making them feel weightless. This improves precision and reduces operator fatigue and injury risk. The system also enhances safety by keeping hands away from pinch zones, reducing vibration exposure, and preventing drop tools. Durable and versatile, it adapts to various rim sizes and demanding industrial environments. RUBIFLEX Handle Tech Flex Notched Trowels. The RUBIFLEX handle on Ruby's Tech Flex. Notched Trowels is a standout ergonomic design built for comfort and control during tile installation. Crafted from dual texture materials, it offers improved grip, sweat management, and vibration absorption to reduce fatigue. The handle's shape is based on ergonomic research, minimizing strain and joint stress. Lightweight and durable, the RUBIFLEX handle connects to a reinforced aluminum plate with pressure bolts, ensuring a rigid, long-lasting tool that performs like a professional-grade trowel. Gohelper Fixed Angle Knife Sharpener Kit. The Gohelper Fixed Angle Knife Sharpener Kit is a durable precision sharpening system made from CNC machined aluminum alloy. It allows users to set exact angles from 12 degrees to 28 degrees in 1 degree increments for consistent, razor-sharp edges. The dual V-shaped clamp securely holds blades up to 12 inches long, while the Easy Flip feature ensures identical bevels on both sides. Many kits include diamond stones and a digital angle indicator for accurate, beginner-friendly sharpening. Total Rapid Cross Wrench THTRCW40231. The Total Rapid Cross Wrench THTRCW40231 is a heavy-duty 16-inch tool made from durable chrome vanadium steel, ideal for fast and efficient tyre changes. Its cross-shaped design delivers high leverage and torque, making it easier to loosen stubborn lug nuts. The chrome-plated finish resists rust and corrosion, while the ergonomic anti-slip grip reduces hand fatigue. It includes 4 integrated sockets, 17mm, 19mm, 21mm, and 23mm, and comes with a convenient leather pouch for storage and portability. Hyde Tools Dust-Free Vacuum Scraper. The Hyde Tools Dust-Free Vacuum Scraper, Model 09190, is a game changer for surface prep, capturing up to 99% of paint chips, dust, and debris directly into a wet/dry vacuum while scraping. Its 2.5-inch reversible carbide blade is durable and easy to replace, while the ergonomic handle keeps your knuckles safe. A removable pull knob doubles as a hammer head for setting popped nails, and the included hose adapter fits most vacuum sizes for cleaner, faster work. Marcrist RDC45 Mortar Router Dust Guard. the Marcrist RDC45. Mortar Router Dust Guard is a robust chromium-plated steel attachment for angle grinders that enables dust-free, safe and precise mortar routing. When connected to a vacuum extraction unit, it captures almost all dust at the source, effectively controlling hazardous silica exposure. It features a precision depth adjustment and an integrated guide to protect surrounding bricks during joint raking. Compatible with most 115mm and 125mm grinders, it includes multiple adapter rings and fully encases the router pin for enhanced safety. Laser 9001 Cooling System Flusher. The Laser 9001 Cooling System Flusher uses a mix of workshop air and water to create a powerful, controllable cleaning jet, perfect for flushing radiators, engine blocks, and heater matrices. It offers both steady and pulsating flow modes, with the pulsating jet especially effective at removing stubborn corrosion, oil residue, and sediment. The kit includes multiple adapters for various hose sizes, allowing in-situ or off-vehicle use. A built-in safety valve prevents pressure backflow, and everything stores neatly in a blow-molded case. BARWALT Ultra Grouting System Starter Kit. The BARWALT Ultra Grouting System Starter Kit is a powerful, time-saving solution that reduces grouting and cleanup time by up to 50%. Its large bucket and built-in rollers automatically wring out the sponge, eliminating manual squeezing. The raised grate keeps water cleaner longer, while slitted sponges pick up more grout for fewer passes. This system helps tool joints and prevent haze for a professional finish. With a cushioned handle and caster-equipped bucket, it's comfortable and easy to move around any job site. YATO 18 volts YT-82604 Concrete Vibrator. The YATO 18 volt YT-82604 Concrete Vibrator is a cordless, lightweight depth vibrator built for efficient concrete compaction in small pores and formworks. Powered by an 18-volt Li-ion battery, sold separately, it delivers 12,500 oscillations per minute and 3,100 revolutions per minute to remove air pockets and ensure a solid, smooth finish. The flexible 1.2 meter shaft and 25mm poker reach various depths with ease, while the durable construction and 3 kg weight reduce operator fatigue and improve job site mobility. Soil Trencher and Tiller TM 1500 FARTOOLS 175315. The FARTOOLS TM1 500 175315. Soil Trencher and Tiller is a powerful 2-in-1 electric tool ideal for light landscaping and gardening work. With a 1500 watt motor and adjustable speed, 260 to 340 revolutions per minute, it efficiently creates trenches up to 120 mm deep and 60 mm wide. Switching to the tiller mode with 2 interchangeable burrs, it cultivates soil across a 300 mm width. This versatile machine is perfect for laying irrigation lines, perimeter wires, or cable trenches, saving time and effort compared to manual digging. Dewalt DCGG 570B 18 volt Cordless Grease Gun. The Dewalt DCGG 570B 18 volt Cordless Grease Gun delivers up to £9,000 per square inch for clearing clogged fittings and features a high volume pump with a flow rate of 5.0 ounces per minute for fast grease application. This bare tool model requires a separate battery and charger. It includes a 42-inch flexible hose for hard-to-reach areas, an integrated LED light, and a variable speed trigger for precise control. The tool also offers an anti-debris filter, air bleeder valve, and no mar foot design for added durability and convenience. Bihui Heavy Duty Manual Tile Cutter. The Bihui TCP1200 Heavy Duty Manual Tile Cutter is a robust single-rail cutting system built for precise straight and angled cuts on ceramic and porcelain tiles up to 1,200 mm long and 20 mm thick. It features a powerful magnetic braking device delivering up to 1,000 kilograms of braking force for clean snaps after scoring. With a green laser guide, smooth ball-bearing scoring head, and double-layer aluminum base, it ensures accuracy and durability. Portable with caster wheels, a carry handle, and extension legs, it supports large tiles and offers ergonomic operation. WORKPRO 12 in 1 Torx screwdriver set. The WORKPRO 12 in 1. Torx screwdriver set is a precision repair kit built for small electronics and appliances. It includes 6 precision Torx and security Torx screwdrivers, T3 to T10H, with strong magnetic tips, heat-treated chrome vanadium steel shanks, and ergonomic non-slip handles for comfort and torque. The kit also comes with anti-static tweezers, pry bars, a spudger, and a magnetizer/demagnetizer, all stored in a compact case for easy organisation and portability. Dial Type 5. A wire. Stripper M. A wire stripper MV. A4A is a must-have tool for electricians, designed to quickly and safely strip VA and eco-electric wires with precise control. Featuring a dial-adjustable depth setting 1 to 5, it ensures clean stripping without damaging the core wire. Compatible with 1.6mm, 2.0mm, and 2.5mm cables in 2 and 3 core formats. It reduces stripping force by about 30% for less hand fatigue. The precision blades and replaceable design ensure long-lasting performance, while built-in gauges and a compact 180mm body make it convenient and reliable on any job.